Hi guys, it's Sophie from Customessaymeister.com, and today I'm going to show you how to create an outline. An outline is simply a framework that lists your ideas and presents them in an organized manner. Having all your ideas laid out will make it easier for you to sort your thoughts out and eventually help you write a coherent paper. Here are some tips that will help you create an outline. Tip 1. The basic format. The basic format for an outline usually consists of Roman numerals for the headers, along with using capital letters, Arabic numbers, and small letters for the categories and subcategories. Tip 2. Decide on a topic or a specific focus. Settling on a final topic or a focus for your paper is the most time-consuming step in creating your outline. However, it is also the most essential step. A clear-cut topic must be formed by constantly asking yourself various questions about the scope and limitations of your paper. Tip 3. List your main points. Once you have decided on a specific topic, identify the main points you will cover. Don't worry if your main points are a bit general, since your subcategories will cover the left out details. The rest of the paper can also be spent expanding and cultivating your main points. Tip 4. Create subcategories. Subcategories exist to support your main points. While your main points may be more general nature, your subcategories will have a more focused perspective. The amount of subcategories you will list fully depends on the information you will cover. Feel free to create as many subcategories as necessary, as long as they remain within the focus of your paper. Tip 5. Review and make adjustments. It's always a good idea to review your work. Reviewing your work will help you evaluate if the ideas you've outlined have well-established connections. Do not hesitate to switch or move the categories around and make adjustments, as it is part of the writing process. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed today's content, please like, share, and subscribe to Customessaymeister.com's channel. Thank you.